they've arrived. The LED strips have arrived. Let's see what we've got inside of the box. Okay, so I've got my plug to plug them in. I've got my remote and I've got some little sticky things to put it up with. And then these are my lights. I've got 2 packs. I'm going to put this down there a second so you can see. Oh. So we've got 2 packs of 5 millimeters, I think. Can't wait. Sticky and it's really good. You're meant to do this with 2 people, but I don't really ask for help. I like to do things on my own. So I'm just going to stick it all around the room before I download the app. As you can see, it's really, really long. And this is just 1 piece. I've still got another half to go. So I've stuck them on halfway so far. Just got the other halfway to go. You can control it with an app and a remote. Don't get me excited. Oh, let's have a go. I love it.